This book is for very beginner level of kids who just started to write Arabic alphabets, or for the parents who wants to support children to start with Arabic language, or the people who are on a very first stage to start learning the Arabic language. The book has started with a very small introduction with the Arabic language, that what it is and how to write down. Always remember, the Arabic language, when you start writing it down, you should write down from a right hand side towards your left hand side, and not like an English language where we write from our left hand side towards our right hand side. Always remember, the Arabic language should start writing it out from your right hand side towards your left hand side, which is clearly mentioned over here. There are no capital or a small letter in Arabic. Arabic is a beautiful calligraphic language which is written with some curves, lines and dots. Ahead in a book, there are the list of the Arabic alphabets, then the name of the Arabic alphabets and the sound of alphabet, like how it should pronounce. But basically this book focuses on how to write down the Arabic language. Here all the list for the alphabets, their name and the sound of the alphabets. The practice here in a book is designed with the 4 line, as we have a habit to start English language with 4 line to understand the placing of the alphabets. So you will understand the placing of the alphabet very clearly. Like first one is Alif, is a standing line which uses from top red line to the third blue line. But for the Ba, it goes into the blue line itself, and some other curves and lines also is given here very clearly, just to understand the placing nicely. Otherwise in a school they teaches in a 2 lines very nicely. Further in the book, all the pages are designed with a beautiful picture on a top and a practice reference down the page according to all the alphabets separately, so children can enjoy coloring and then do the practice and make themselves comfortable to the Arabic language. The pictures are drawn in such a way which gives 2 or 3 references for the word in Arabic language, so people will understand it very clearly. Here in a practice line also given to do it. Further in all the videos, each and every letter will be taught that how to write down and the reference words as well.